Hi, Gabriella, it's Brittany. I look at your resume. I think that you should list more information about your experience. Um, you should have your most recent job as the first uh point in the experience session, and also you should have your skills atop of, uh, on top of the resume. And also you didn't indicate indicate what kind of position you were applying. So I I feel that you need to explain more, like explain your resume more. But your resume sounds good, but you need to explain it more, like have like more information about the job experience instead of the duties required of the position that you're applying for.